Hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about Senator Bernie Sanders, who opposes cutting the income cap for 1,400 stimulus checks. Individuals making up to 75,000 would receive the full sum as of now, but Democrats are considering lowering the threshold to 50,000. We have more details around this news, and please watch the complete video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Senator Bernie Sanders said Sunday that he opposes cutting the income threshold for receiving $1,400 direct payment in the next coronavirus relief bill, underscoring a split Democrats will need to resolve before they can pass the 1.9 trillion package. The most conservative member in Senate, Joe Manchin, has raised concerns that stimulus checks are currently targeted that would go to too many high-income people who did not lose their jobs during the pandemic. President Joe Biden said he is open to negotiating eligibility for payments which, as proposed, will go in full to individuals making up to 75,000 and couples earning up to 150,000. Sanders, a Vermont independent and chairman of the Senate Budget Committee, and some colleagues have argued Democrats should not lower the income cap. Eligibility for checks has emerged as a main sticking point within the party as it tries to pass a rescue package without Republican votes in the Senate. A single defection would sink the bill. Sanders told that he supports a strong cliff for payments so it doesn't kind of spill over to people making 300,000 a year. As modeled now, the plan would phase the checks out by 5% of every dollar a person makes above the cap to receive the full amount. And that's what I support. That's what I think most people understand. Sanders said of making the payments phase out more quickly. But to say to a worker in Vermont or California or any other place that if you're making, around 52,000 a year, you're too rich to get this help, the full benefit, I think that's absurd. Reports have suggested that Democrats could start phasing out the deposits at 50,000 in income for individuals rather than 75,000. In his committee post, Sanders will have a key role in crafting the bill and making sure it complies with the budget reconciliation process. The tool will allow Democrats to pass legislation by themselves in a Senate split 50-50. Vice President Kamala Harris will hold the tie-breaking vote. Democrats will start to draft the aid legislation this week and hope to pass it before March 14 when key unemployment program boosting millions of Americans expire. Along with the payments, the bill is set to include a 400 per week jobless benefit through September, 20 billion for a COVID-19 vaccination program and 350 billion in state and local government support and 30 billion for rent and utility assistance. Biden said that he is open to changing the eligibility for the payments. He stressed Friday that I'm not cutting the size of the checks. So that's all we have in today's news. Please continue to watch this space and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.